Hello everyone, really interesting problem today. Let's find the area of this rectangle square. I don't know what it is. We need to find this area right here. We know this area 35 centimeters square and 28 centimeters square. We have this 7, this 8, and we need to find, of course, this area. How can I do this? I want to write this part right here on the bottom. So take a look on this part. Let's, for example, this side will be A and this will be B. So of course we need to find this area, so we need to find our A and B. But take a look closely. If we see a little bit closer to this problem, we find that 7 times A will be area of this whole rectangle. So 7 times A will be the area of this whole rectangle. But in the other side, if we add to this 28 this area B times A, or A times B, we will have an equation. So I hope you understand this step. Using the first formula, 7 times A, we will have on the left hand side area of this rectangle, and on the right hand side we have the area as well, 28 plus A times B. So this rectangle plus this rectangle. So I hope you understand this step. And right now let's use this formula once more using this 8. But how can you use this using this 8? Because right here we have A, this is our A. This side will be, of course, our A as well, because this is a rectangle. This is our B. I write it right here. So let's use this formula once more. So 8 times A will be our area. 8 times A. And using this square root, using this centimeter square, using this area, 35 centimeters square. And of course we need to add as well, we need to add A plus B. So I hope you understand this step. This is the main step that maybe you feel difficulties with this step. So let's repeat once more. 7 times A, the area of this rectangle, and on the right hand side, of course, the area of this whole rectangle, because 28 plus A times B, the area of this rectangle, we will have this expression, and of course this expression we'll have right here. So how can we solve it? Let's subtract these two equation, because if we subtract, of course, from the second one the first one, we will have that our A equal to 35 minus 28, we'll have 7, so A equal to 7. And right now we find our A, so A equal to 7. But why this A is good for us? Because take a look closely. If this is equal to 7, then this A equal to 7. So this element is a square. This is a square. But what this square signals us? We can easily find this area. So 7 times 7, we will have 49 centimeters square. So all this area is equal to 49 centimeters square. But what about this part? How can we find this? Of course, if all area equal to 48, if we subtract one of this part, 28, we will have this area. So what we will have as a result? 48 centimeters square minus 28 centimeters square, we will have 21 centimeters square, and this is our answer. This is the area of this rectangle inside. I hope you understand this explanation. This is my approach. Of course, you can solve it in another way. You can find another tricky moves right here to find the answer, but this is my approach, and I want to share you with this approach. So if you still have any question, write a question in a comment. Happy to see you here, of course. If you enjoyed this video, put in thumbs up. I always appreciate it, and it supports me a lot. It helps me a lot. And of course, thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Have a great day.